Just pulled up to the yard. We about to grab a few parts for the Regal. Try to get this thing done. Tax is about to drop, so we need to be ready to sell. So stay tuned. I'll show you all the updates. That's the exhaust. That's the exhaust. We went to the yard. We got. I needed caliber on the right side was seized up, so we got the caliber. We grabbed a little cheap radio for it. I ended up grabbing this alternator bracket from my homeboy Twink. Shout out to Twink. I'll throw the alternator on. Fix the brake line. Try to put the exhaust on. Stay tuned. Got the new caliber on. We gotta fix the brake line right there. Trying to figure out how we're gonna do that. Put the alternator on. We're gonna take the wire behind there and slap this belt on. See how it's lining up. We got the belt on. Power steering. Belt on. We got a little leak, so I jacked the car back up. About to cut this line off here. Don't cut it. Put a new line right there. And we're gonna climb out of the car and fix the power steering leak. So I don't know. We might be able to do the exhaust today. Might not. I don't know. You'll see. Stay tuned. So I did that side. I ended up having to do this side too. Broke it the same spot. So let's do this power steering. The tires are back on. We got the brake thing done on both sides. Now, let's see what's up with this power steering. Try to put some tape on there. Let that drain out. Got this boy up with tape. Yep. Power steering fixed. My lights wasn't working, it was on ground. Got the lights working. I'm about to put this bumper on. Yeah. Oh, I ain't show y'all the seats. I ended up getting some outrock seats. I got to mount them all the way in there. I don't know if I'm gonna put the backs in from the IROC. I don't know. But I do got the back seat in this car. So I don't know. I might throw this radio in right quick. Let's see. We got this boy up in the air. Try to get this exhaust done. got one. We got one on. We're about to put this one on. We still got to get the right little things to hang it. So we're just hanging it temporarily. So we about to remove this one, put that right there, tighten it up there. I'm gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Sounds good. So we was waiting on the radiator. Still ain't came, but my boy Corey has this boy laying around. Shout out to my boy Corey. This until the to the one I ordered come. I'll throw this boy on so we can fire it up and let it run today. So let me I'm mounting that down. Gotta put the hose on. We're gonna fire this boy up. There it is. Still gotta put the grill on. It's running. Full exhaust. Just took it for a little ride. I ain't recorded. Trying to get him in the next video. But gotta mount that, put the radio up. I think I'm gonna change these seats. I don't really like them, man. The Camaro seats, I don't know. I might change them boys. But she's running good. Still gotta play with the timing. It's a little dusty. Get a fan shroud, paint it up, paint under here. Y'all see how the car came? Completely took apart. Got all the lights working. Y'all gotta stay tuned, man, on this build. Still got 26s for it. All right, be out.